Dear students, I am Vishal Kumar Kanojia, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ABES Engineering College. Here I am going to explain the set theory in discrete mathematics. Firstly, I am discuss about the definition of set. This is a collection of objects of any sort. Means a set contains any type of elements. A set is a collection of any type of elements. Like here I am taking an example A, which contains the element parrot 3b xyz as an element. But these elements are not interrelated, are not defined the set A. So in the mathematics, set should be well defined. Okay. Here, I will explain what the meaning of well-defined set by using an example. I'm taking a set A, which contains four elements A, B, X, and Z. These are all the alphabets. So, set A is a set which contains alphabets. A is a set which contains alphabets. Okay, so the next topic is how to represent the set. There are two forms to represent a set. First one is the roster form, in which we display all the elements of a set. This is good for a small set, but for the larger set, this is not good. This is not suitable. So we use the set builder form. In set builder form, we use some notations to summarize a set. Here I am taking an example. This is the previous examples. This previous examples contains the integer and which is less than 8. So we can write in the form of set builder form x such that x is the integer and x is less than 8. Here this is the symbol which can be pronounced that like such that. Okay, so you can understand the set builder form and roster form and the definition of set. Also, you should remember that the set should be well defined. Okay, now the next topic is cardinal number. Cardinal number is nothing but it gives the number of distinct element in a set. Distinct element, not a repetitive element. How to represent the cardinality of a number? By using n of any set, suppose A, set name, or the mod of set name, suppose A. Okay, if we want to find the cardinality of set A, then we can write the mod of A. Okay, so here I'm taking three examples. In set A, there are four elements and these elements are all distinct. So we can write the cardinality of A is 4. Okay. Next, in the case of set B, there are also four elements, 1, then 2, again 2, then again 2. So here there are two distinct elements, 1 and 2. So the cardinality of set B is 2. Here only consider the distinct element. If the repetitive elements is available, then the repetitive element is considered only one time, okay, a single time. And in the case of set C, there are three element A, Z, and this is a set which acts as an individual element, because this is a set, not a distinct element. X and Y are the distinct element, individual element in the case of this set only. But in the case of set C, this set is acts as an individual element. So there are three elements, 1, 2, and 3. So the cardinality of C is 3. Now I'm going to the next topic. So there are various types of sets available in set theory. First one is the null set. Null set. Null set is a set which contains no element. Okay, or this type of set is also called the empty set. Okay, and how to represent the null set A? By using phi or the pair of blank parentheses, and the cardinality of a null set is 0. Here, this is a statement. Here I am checking that this statement is right or not. This phi represents the null set. Null set means no element, but this set contains one element. So we cannot say that this null set is equal to this set. Okay, so this is not equal. Okay, so dear students, I hope you can understand all these topics. You can also go through these reference for exploring your knowledge. And now, thank you.